Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and who knows, my kitties are somewhere. Callie's laying on the bed. Bonnie is excited because the pool guys are outside. Y'all, I got a package from Runway Rogue. Look how bright and shiny. Y'all, Runway Rogue is actually Patricia Hartman's brand, and they have some amazing lipsticks and lip liners. Absolutely love their line, and they decided to send me some new ones. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get into this package. By the way, I do have a link below if you want to try this line out or anything from Runway Rogue. It will give you $5 off. So use that referral link and get your money, girl. And some lipstick, some awesome lipstick. Ooh. See what's inside because I don't know what all they sent me. Oh, I'm so excited. Sometimes you just gotta open up the package and see what's in there. So let's do that. Is this not the best part of the day? Opening up the packages. So cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all. I got 2. I got 4. I got 4. Okay. Must calm the self down. Hang on. So these are from their Satin Shimmer line, y'all. Oh my goodness. They are cream lipsticks. And let's just see what colors. Soft Box Cream, Trophy Wipe Cream, Go See Cream, and MAHVELOUS Cream. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna have to look at them all. I love it. Thank you, Runway Rogue. I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start, but we're gonna start with Marvelous because, ooh, that sounds marvelous. Oh, I know, Miss Bonnie Faye. My cat's excited too, can you tell? Look at the packaging, y'all. Beautiful. She agrees. All right, let's look at this. Oh my goodness. I really hope the camera is catching the beautiful color. Oh my goodness, I can see the satin texture on there. This is marvelous. Marvelous. Time to just put it on. Girl, I'm in love with this color. Look, it even matches my outfit. This is brilliant. Look at that. So pigmented. I mean, one swipe on. I could even do more if I wanted. But really, one swipe and done. This is gorgeous. Look at that shine. Oh, wow. I love it. I love it. It has a lovely scent to it, very faint. Just that slight bit of vanilla. Perfect. Yeah, I love it. Let's go to the next color before I get too excited. Oh my goodness. I love Runway Rogue. Y'all have got to try this formula out. It feels so good on the lips. So good. So their website calls this a muted raspberry with pink and gold shimmer, and it is just, look at it. I've had it on for a bit. It's not like it's gonna dry down or anything. It's a satin. It is beautiful. I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. $28 on their website and 4 different colors, and we're gonna show them all to you. So here is the next one. It's called Soft Box Cream. It is a pale nude pink with gold and silver shimmers. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Like I said, this is from their satin line. Satin Shimmer. Oh my goodness. Let's just put it on. I love it. Is this not gorgeous, y'all? The perfect shimmery nude for us girls who love to sparkle. Runway Rogue, you have done it again. Oh my goodness. Soft Box Cream. This is a $28 lipstick, and it is just gorgeous. This is beautiful. And I'm normally not like a nude girl. I like a bright lipstick, but the shimmer just makes it so perfect. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Love it. Patricia Hartman, you're doing awesome with your lipsticks. Slight vanilla scent. Really can't tell much of it unless you're sniffing for it. It is so nice. Formula is just silky, satiny, soft. Love it. So this one is Trophy Wife Cream. It is a frosted pale pastel pink with silver shimmers. Yes, you can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. $28. Let's try it on. These colors are gorgeous. The formula, I love it. Patricia Hartman, Runway Rogue. Don't forget, $5 off with my link below. Oh my goodness, these are so good. I would probably wear a liner with this one just to give my lips a little more definition because yeah, aging lips, you kind of need it. But they're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the little pearlized look they give it to give you that dimensional shimmer. It's beautiful, beautiful. All right, one more to go. Runway Rogue, Patricia Hartman. This one is called Ghosty Cream. It is a sheer pale pink with gold and rose shimmers. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. So this line, which is the Satin Shimmer line, they're $28 each. There's 4 different colors. I've tried them all on for you. You've got to tell me which one's your favorite color. Let's put this one on and see. I really hope this is picking up for you. The dimensional of these are gorgeous. Nude but shimmery. It's perfect. And just so you know, these are a magnetic case. They are such good quality. The formula's great. The brand is great. I love it. I love their liners too. I don't have any new ones to show you, but go back in my videos and I do have a video of their liner. I keep it pretty handy because I love it. When I have it start the show, if you want to see any of these colors with a liner, just let me know. I normally show you without the liner so you can see the true color. Sometimes I feel like if you put a liner on with a lipstick, it might change the color of it a little bit, but I want you to see exactly what Patricia had in mind when she designed this. So beautiful. Y'all, don't forget to tell me what you think of this line. Do you like it? Would you try it? If you want to try it, use my link below, get $5 off. Thank you so very much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these beautiful, beautiful lipsticks. Thank you, Runway Rogue. I really appreciate you. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.